Hello, CatsGarden&Kettle friends. It's December 21st. It's winter solstice and it's really cold. So I am strolling around the garden and I am hunting for stinging nettles because I really want to make stinging nettle soup. So, making sure I don't hurt myself. Just have to know where to hold them. This is lucky. Very pretty, very nice. Making sure I'm only harvesting the best looking ones and the freshest ones. So I was not finding enough stinging nettles near my garden. They're not properly grown yet. So I'm out here in the road. So the road is right next to me. So when you're foraging for things next to roads, please make sure that they're not sprayed with pesticides. I know that these are not. This one looks nice. Great. Hey birdies. I hear the birdies. No, this one for soup is a no-no because it's already full of flower heads. Now, I use these for tea, no problem. But for soups, I do not. Quite happy with this amount. And when I'm cleaning this, I will choose only the leaves for the soup. Only the best leavesies. I mean, whoever passes by gets free spinach if they want. If they can understand which is spinach and which is not, because it's all growing here. So happy winter solstice. I hope you're having a nice time in the garden if you can. If not, I hope you're warm. And okay, I'm quite happy with my stinging nettle harvest and my little spinach harvest. If I choose to use both of them, I will. Now it's absolutely freezing, so I'm gonna go inside and make a nice warm soup. So thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next fall. Bye bye.